Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Canva website mobile view problems, step by step. So if your Canva website looks broken on phones, text overlaps, images appear too large, or sections don't fit correctly, yeah, this guide will help you fix the most common mobile layout issues. First, open your Canva website project and go into editing mode. Before changing anything, it's a good idea to preview how the site currently looks on mobile. One of the biggest problems on mobile is spacing, so if elements are too close together, the layout can look messy or overlap on smaller screens. Once you fix the layout issues, republish the website so the updated version appears online. So always refresh the mobile page after publishing to confirm the fixes. If the old layout still appears on your phone, clear the mobile browser cache or test the site in incognito mode. Yeah, cached data can sometimes show outdated versions. And that's basically how to fix Canva website mobile view problems from start to finish. After optimizing the layout properly, your website should look much cleaner and more professional on phones.